fresh corn, the very first thing comes on my mind is preparing corn soup. So let's make creamy corn soup with some vegetables. Now looking at the yummy soup, you might be thinking, can I use frozen corn? Yes, frozen thawed corn can be used for this recipe as well. Take 2 corn ears, cut to remove the kernels from the corn. Half of the corn I'm going to keep whole and half crushed. I prefer half of the corn kernels whole, so that goes right into the pot I'm going to prepare the soup in. And another half of the corn I'm going to crush. And to crush half of the corn, I'm going to use blender. You can simply shred corn if desired. Like so. And add right into the soup pot. Next, chop cabbage and carrot roughly, or you can chop really fine if you don't want to use processor here. Peel and wash carrot really well and just roughly chop the cabbage. And I'm going to use the same processor. Ginger, garlic and chili, or simply process with other vegetables. Like so. Get processed vegetables into the soup pot. And chop spring onion. The white part I'm going to add right into the soup pot and keep the green for garnishing. Next, add salt and pepper. Here I have vegetable stock. Water can be used instead of vegetable stock, but vegetable stock helps to enhance the flavor. Turn the stove on a medium to high heat. Stir everything. Cover and cook until all the vegetables are nice and soft. While the soup is simmering, I'm going to prepare cornstarch mixture here. Here I have taken about 1/8 cup of water, and to that add about a tablespoon of cornstarch. Dissolve cornstarch really well. Let's check the soup. The soup has been simmering for about 20 minutes, and at this time, ready to add cornstarch mixture. So add the mixture and keep stirring. And continue cooking until the soup thickens and become creamier. Now if you want to add some protein in the corn soup, tofu can be added, some lentils can be added. Take out the soup into the serving bowls. Garnish with spring onion, and if desired for some extra heat, red pepper flakes can be sprinkled as well. And it's time for taste test. Spicy, creamy, just a little bit sweetness of the corn, the perfect balance of flavors. And this is a must-try recipe whenever you can get hold of fresh corn, or go for frozen corn at any time of the year. I hope you enjoyed watching this video making of creamy corn soup with vegetables. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. You can visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Pinterest. Bhavna's Kitchen is everywhere. You can download Bhavna's Kitchen apps totally free on your iOS, Android and many other devices. You can watch me on a big TV screen using Roku, Amazon Fire or YouTube app itself if you have a smart TV. Thanks for watching and see you soon.